Leadership analysis, the impact of Audrey Hepburn. Introduction. A leader who is one of my biggest inspirations is Audrey Hepburn. Audrey Hepburn is an icon of elegance, grace, and kindness. Her heart for others and to be uniquely yourself is something that everyone should strive to be more like. I aspire to have a heart like Audrey Hepburn. Her story continues to be an inspiration to many and can be illustrated by how she led with confidence, poise, and determination to make a difference. Her leadership can be defined by the culture and climate that she created, the styles in which she led, and how she used the 5 practices of exemplary leadership to be a model for others to follow. As far as background, many know her name from the iconic movie Breakfast at Tiffany's. Audrey Hepburn was a face plastered on a multitude of magazines and movie screens, but she was more than just a pretty Hollywood star. Audrey Hepburn did not have the easiest upbringing. She lived through World War II, where her family faced struggles and hunger. She battled cancer, but still contributed to UNICEF during the battle. Culture and climate. Audrey Hepburn was a leader who impacted others by making a difference and setting a positive climate culture for others. Audrey Hepburn was a woman who, through UNICEF, changed the lives of many across the globe by working with impoverished children. Audrey Hepburn was not only an award-winning humanitarian, but also an award-winning actor. Through both of Hepburn's achievements, she was a positive role model for many and continues to be. According to Forbes magazine, 3 big lessons that one can take away from Audrey Hepburn as a leader are to be playful, be tough, and to be a citizen of the world. Hepburn models and creates a climate that instills confidence in others to be the best version of themselves and to make an impact in the world. Audrey Hepburn is a role model of mine because I believe in making a difference in the world. Audrey Hepburn's impact can not only be illustrated by the culture and climate she created, but by the leadership and styles she possessed. Leadership styles. A leader can be classified based under leadership styles. Although Audrey Hepburn did not lead an actual group of people, she was a leader that taught many. I believe that her leadership style can be classified as transformational or coach style. Transformational leadership is best defined as leaders who is self-aware, authentic, empathetic, and humble. These leaders want everyone to succeed and accomplish the shared vision. Audrey Hepburn fits this style because she possesses all of those traits and cares deeply about individuals. She also fits the coach-style leadership. The coach-style leadership focuses on identifying and nurturing the individual strengths of each member on his or her team. Audrey Hepburn fits this style because of how she cares about others and the impact they can make. Both transformational and coach-style leaderships go hand in hand and can be used to describe Audrey Hepburn. 5 practices discussion. Modeling the way. Modeling the way is merely leading by example. Audrey Hepburn is nothing short of a role model. She was always an iconic actress, caring humanitarian, and radiated a personality that inspired many to be themselves because there's nobody you can better be than you, as Dr. Seuss would agree. Audrey Hepburn instilled a sense of confidence in others from the strength that she displayed. She was strong, relatable, and easily admired. Inspiring a shared vision. Inspiring a shared vision is when a leader encourages others to be a part of a shared movement. Although Audrey Hepburn didn't in her life directly lead a group of people, she inspired others to also give back to the community. Audrey Hepburn possessed a desire to help those around her, which was evident by her role as a humanitarian and with UNICEF. Audrey Hepburn wanted to ignite a flame of passion in people to give back. Challenging the process. Challenging the process is an experimentation of victories and losses that allow a leader to be innovative towards what they believe in. Audrey Hepburn was not just a pretty face, but a stunning woman inside and out. Audrey Hepburn was a model of grace, elegance, and modesty. She defied stereotypes of beauty being scandalous. Audrey Hepburn would tell you that beauty is found within. Beauty is not in the eyes of others and how they define you, but it is within yourself. Enabling others to act. Enabling others to act fosters strength and unity. It enables people to unite and collaborate towards a shared goal. Audrey Hepburn wanted others to see just how much suffering was going on in the world, and she wanted to inspire others to take action and make an impact. Encouraging the heart. Encouraging the heart plays on the emotions of others. This practice allows a leader to build a sense of community, provoke a sense of pride and spirit into others. Audrey Hepburn was an ambassador for UNICEF who believed in making a difference, and she wanted to promote health and help others and create harmony. Conclusion. Audrey Hepburn was many things: humanitarian, actress, mom, but most of all, she was a human who cared deeply about those around her. She gave back when she could, and she made others feel like a priority. Audrey Hepburn inspired me as a person to show everyone an act of kindness. I live by the mottos: inspire the woman, impact the world, and live with purpose. These two mottos are brought into my life by my sorority, but they are held close to my heart because I aspire to make a difference. And here are the list of references I use. Thank you.